Hello future programmers. Last time we talked about columns, rows and stacks. All these widgets have children that fit in the current context. We mean by that the current screen. So what if we have a lot of children that exceed the maximum height of the current screen? We know we need something like scroll view so that we can show more children. For this we can use child scroll view. Let's cut a column, delete everything, then paste column. Wrap column with a widget, type single child scroll view. This widget make column scrollable, so you can put as many children as you want inside the column. Now let's delete all this and wrap our text with a padding of 50 so the scrolling can be more clear. After that, let's copy and paste. This widget multiple times. Let's change some values. Now let's give a random widget of these ones, a container with a color. Let's give it a red, very obvious color. Now you can see that there is scrolling. You can put as many children as you want as long as there is scrolling. Another thing about scroll view, it has multiple parameters. You can put the cursor over the name and those properties will show. You can define a direction for scroll view, a vertical axis or horizontal axis. Now let's move to list view. Now let's talk about list view. Cut all the children inside the column. Now delete everything in the scaffold body. Type list view. List view is the same as rows and column. It can take many children inside it. The only difference between column and list view, it's scrollable by itself. So you don't need to add single child scroll view to make it scrollable. Same as single child scroll view, it has axis, it has scroll direction, it has many features, scroll control, it has scroll physics, many features. We will learn about it little by little in the upcoming lessons. This is all for today. See you next lesson.